English to Pashto sentences. Is this apple rotten? آیا دا مڼه څښا شوې ده؟ Is this apple rotten? This apple is rotten on the inside. دا مڼه د دننه نه څښا شوې ده. This apple is rotten on the inside. Make her understand. هغه پویه کا. Make her understand. It's no use making her understand. د هغې پویول څه فایده نه لري. It's no use making her understand. I want to go there. زه هلته تله غواړم. I want to go there. It's useless to go there. هلته تله بې فایدې دي. It's useless to go there. I can do this. زه دا کولی شم. I can do this. I bet you can't do this. زه شرط لګوم ته دا نشي کولی. I bet you can't do this. Do you smell something burning? د سوځېدو بوی درته راځي. Do you smell something burning? I smell something burning. ما ته د څه سوځېدو بوی راځي. I smell something burning. Whose is this? دا د چا دی. Whose is this? This one is yours. دا یو ستا دی. This one is yours. I forgot my umbrella. ما خپله چتره یېره کړه. I forgot my umbrella. Where did you forget umbrella? تا چتره کوم ځای یېره کړه. Where did you forget umbrella? I forgot my umbrella in the restaurant. زمانه چتره رستوران کې پاتې شوه. رستوران یعنی هوټل. I forgot my umbrella in the restaurant. It occurred to me. ما ته ناڅاپه یاد راغلو. It occurred to me. The door is locked. دروازه تاله ده. The door is locked. The door is locked from the inside. دروازه د دننه نه تاله ده. The door is locked from the inside. You have played. تا لوبه کړې ده. You have played. Now it is my turn. وس زما نمبر دی. Now it is my turn. You are too stubborn. ته ډېر ضدي. You are too stubborn. Don't be stubborn. ضدي مه جوړېږه. Don't be stubborn. Leave the stubbornness. زد پرېږده. Leave the stubbornness. Why are you being stubborn? ته زد ولې کوې. Why are you being stubborn? Do you believe me? آیا ته په ما یقین کوې. Do you believe me? I don't believe you. زه په تا یقین نه کوم. I don't believe you. Where did you meet him? ته د هغه سره کوم ځای میلاو شوې. Where did you meet him? I met him at the railway station. زه د هغه سره په ریلوے سټیشن کې میلاو شوم. I met him at the railway station. Which dress are you going to buy? ته به کمی کپڑے اخلی. Which dress are you going to buy? It looks very nice on you. دا ستا سره ډیر خوند کوي. It looks very nice on you. It fits perfectly. او سایز هم بالکل صحیح دی. It fits perfectly. Yeah, it fits well. او سایز خو صحیح دی. Yeah, it fits well. But I usually wear simple design. خو زه زیاتر ساده کپڑے اغوندم. But I usually wear simple design. I don't usually wear this kind of a pattern. زه داسې قسم نمونې نه اغوندم. I don't usually wear this kind of a pattern. I think you look very beautiful in this. زما په خیال ته په دې کې ډېره ښکلې ښکاري. I think you look very beautiful in this. What about this dress? دې جامو باره کې دې څه خیال دی؟ What about this dress? This one is good. دا یو ښه دی. This one is good. He winked at me. هغه ما ته سترګه ووهله. He winked at me. Why did you wink at me? تا ما ته سترګه ولې ووهله. Why did you wink at me? He doesn't have manners to speak. په هغه کې د خبرې کولو تمیز نشته. He doesn't have manners to speak. Learn manners. تمیز زده کړه. Learn manners. Don't hang up. فون مه کټ کوه. Don't hang up. He hung up on me. هغه زما فون کټ کو. He hung up on me. Did she remind you? آیا هغې تا ته رایاد کړو؟ Did she remind you? She reminded me. هغې ما ته رایاد کړو. She reminded me. You are late. تا ناوخته کو. You are late. You are early. ته وختي راغلی. You are early. You are still awake. ته د وسه پورې لا ویښ یې. You are still awake. Go to sleep now. وس اوده شه. Go to sleep now. Don't make noise. شور مه کوه. Don't make noise. Why are you making noise? ته شور ولې کوې؟ Why are you making noise? As you know. څنګه چې تاسو ته پته ده. As you know. As far as I know. څومره چې ما ته پته ده. As far as I know. Do you have appetite? آیا ته وږی؟ Do you have appetite? I don't have appetite. زه وږی نه یم. I don't have appetite. When will you arrive? ته به کله را رسې؟ When will you arrive? I will be late. په ما به ناوخته یې. I will be late. Finish your food. خوراک دې ختم کا. Finish your food. Have you finished your food? آیا تا خوراک ختم کو؟ Have you finished your food? Do I speak? آیا زه ویم؟ Do I speak? Let me speak. ویلو ته می پریدا. Let me speak. Give that to me. دغه مال راکا. Give that to me. Give it to me. دا مال راکا. Give it to me. How long will it take? دا به څومره وخت واخلي. How long will it take? I just found out. ما وس معلومه کړه. I just found out. Take out the trash. کچره بهر ته وکاږه. Take out the trash. The trash is full. د کچرې ډبه ډکه ده. The trash is full. Why are you looking at me? ته ما ته ولې ګورې؟ Why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me like this? ته ما ته داسې ولې ګورې؟ Why are you looking at me like this? What is your age? ستا عمر څومره دی؟ What is your age? I am around 20. زه لږ د 20 کالو یم. I am around 20. Where does he live? هغه کوم ځای اوسیږي؟ Where does he live? He lives just around the corner. هغه دلته چرته خواوشا اوسیږي. He lives just around the corner. Where did you see him? تا هغه کوم ځای ولیدو؟ Where did you see him? I have seen him somewhere. ما هغه چرته لیدلی دی. I have seen him somewhere. I was up late last night. زه پرون شپه ناوختي پورې ویښ وم. I was up late last night. I was up late too. زه هم پرون شپه ناوختي پورې ویښ وم. I was up late too. I need money. زما پیسو ته ضرورت دی. I need money. Lend me some money. لږی پیسې راله قرض راکا. Lend me some money. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبریږئ. Thanks for watching.